This stock continues to be our top choice for all the previously listed reasons. It has several positive aspects. As the Cybertruck enters production, more reservations have been placed for this model than for any other upcoming EV. Furthermore, Tesla has a considerable cost of capital advantage over the rest of the sector thanks to its large market capitalization. Recall that, while not having the highest yearly volume, they are the biggest firm in the sector by market capitalization. But the stock is our top choice since we think it will outperform its valuation in the upcoming years. Several analysts continue to believe that Tesla's stock is overpriced in the wake of the company's recent stock price decline. Analysts and investors alike were drawn to Tesla during its recent explosive surge, but as of late, the momentum has halted, sending some investors into a panic. But it's crucial to keep in mind Tesla's past. The company's stock price has fallen following significant rallies before. Tesla has proven throughout the years that it is capable of rising above setbacks and accomplishing new heights. Is this a good reason to sell even if Tesla's stock takes a time to recover and doesn't reach $300 this month? We'll look at why it doesn't matter if Tesla's stock price is currently declining in this video. This subject might seem contradictory, yet it's crucial to staying on the right track when investing in Teslas. Now let's get started. With the exception of 2020 due to the pandemic, we have been conducting an annual poll since 2019. The results show that price, range anxiety, and charging availability are the top 3 worries every year. Nonetheless, fewer people are becoming concerned about these problems. There has been a notable improvement this year, as only 42% of respondents voiced anxiety, compared to 49% last year. These worries are lessened in part because of incentives that drastically lower the cost of an EV, such as the federal incentive of about $7,500 for new EVs and extra state discounts, depending on where you live. Due to the Inflation Reduction Act, certain vehicles that were previously disqualified are now eligible for the full federal tax rebate, while other vehicles are no longer eligible. This is dependent upon various things, such as the vehicle's manufacturing location and the supply of the battery ingredients. For instance, the majority of the fantastic portfolio of fully electric and plug-in hybrid cars from Hyundai and Kia are no longer qualified for the refund. But in locations like California, you could potentially save $10,000 on the cost of an EV if your income qualifies and the car meets the requirements. This is a big savings. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, and longtime supporter Ron Barron talked about why the company might grow to be very large in the future in a prior interview. According to Musk, Tesla leads the car industry in auto manufacturing and is the best at achieving autonomy. Barron concurred and added that Tesla might achieve an extraordinary feat of being the top automaker in the world. Greetings from Tesla tomorrow once again. Tesla is subject to stock market volatility just like any other company. Although supporters of Tesla and investors anticipate an ongoing upward trajectory, this might not always be the case. This does not, however, imply that there is reason for alarm. Based on its breakthroughs, Tesla is positioned to lead the industry and maintain its dominance in the EV market. Tesla is ready for the future despite any market obstacles. Why do we believe this? We'll give an explanation soon. To stay up to date on all things Tesla, please like, subscribe, and switch on post notifications if you love this content. It is impossible to exaggerate Tesla's contribution to the EV revolution from an EV perspective. Its creative strategy, which combines cutting-edge technology with charismatic CEO Elon Musk, has increased interest in and demand for EVs beyond anything seen in the past. Customer opinions are changing as more electric vehicles become visible on the road. EVs are no longer viewed as compromises, but rather as highly desirable, high-performance cars with cutting-edge technology. The automobile industry is undergoing change right now, with major cities and nations preparing to outlaw the sale of new cars with internal combustion engines in the next 10 or so years, hastening the transition to electric vehicles. This is a big step forward for Tesla. Prior to delving deeper into the reasons behind your continued bullishness in Tesla, let's keep in mind a basic reality about the stock market. It is dynamic and frequently unpredictable. Similar to other stocks, Tesla is subject to fluctuations in value. It's crucial to keep in mind that, as Tesla in particular, short-term swings don't always portend a company's long-term potential. Tesla's journey is not a sprint, but a marathon. The company is focused on transforming whole sectors and pioneering innovative technologies like full self-driving, FSD, rather than just quarterly earnings. Tesla's long-term vision is emphasized by its dedication to innovation and sustainable energy solutions. Take into account the company's fundamentals rather than concentrating on daily price fluctuations. Regarding its future prospects, Tesla's growth, market share, and development ambitions are very telling. In the big picture, a little decline can only be a blip. What then should you do? Take advantage of price reductions, as they might offer exceptional opportunity for purchases. Consider it akin to a Tesla stock sale. These declines may present an opportunity for long-term investors to purchase additional shares at a reduced cost, which could result in large gains when the stock rises. Fear and worry during price decreases can cause fast decisions, even though emotions might run high when making investments. Rather, keep an informed mind, have faith in your research, and keep things in perspective to prevent rash decisions that might not be in line with your long-term financial objectives. Analyst views suggest that seasoned investors should now keep in mind that a company's ultimate potential is not always reflected in its short-term volatility. It is recommended that investors take into account wider trends, the state of the industry, and Tesla's distinct positioning. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has stated time and time again that the company's goal is what matters to him, not the stock price. He thinks the business will keep accomplishing its objectives, and if it does, the stock price will finally show how successful it is. There is more to Tesla's potential profitability than merely producing and selling automobiles. For the time being and into the future, the company's distinctive technology distinguish it from its contemporaries in the automotive sector. This might be revolutionary, according to Musk, who calls it the largest single step change in asset value history. It can be unsettling to watch the stock price fluctuate, but keep in mind that this is only a small portion of the larger financial trip. What hasn't changed is Tesla's revolutionary technologies, inspiring leadership, and dedication to a sustainable future. The long-term effects of Tesla are more important, despite the fact that brief price swings could garner media attention. How do you feel? Tell us in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up, share this video with other investors, and subscribe if you thought it was insightful and helpful. That way, you'll always be informed on everything Tesla in the always changing world of investing. Go to the next video on your screen for more thrilling Tesla news. I'll see you there.